Imagine waking up with a spring in your step, feeling refreshed and renewed, with a sense of lightness that's hard to describe. It's as if your body has been gently detoxed overnight, leaving you ready to take on the day. This is what happens when you incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily routine. You see, when you do the gelatin trick, you're giving your body a chance to reset, to rebalance, and to rejuvenate. It's no wonder that celebrities like Kelly Clarkson swear by simple, effective rituals like the gelatin trick to help them stay on track with their weight loss journeys. Clarkson's own transformation is a testament to the power of making small, sustainable changes to your daily routine, and the gelatin trick is one of those changes that can have a profound impact. By doing the gelatin trick, you're supporting your body's natural digestive processes, which can lead to a range of benefits, from improved digestion to increased energy. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, check out the link in the description below for a detailed rundown. For a quick start, hop over to the pinned comment where I've shared a simple way to get begun with the gelatin trick.